Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about a very important homeopathic medicine. The name of this medicine is coca, erythrozyline coca. Coca has two very important role. First, what happens when you are going to climbing the mountain, hiking, driving or doing any other activity at a high altitude area, your body may not get enough oxygen. A lack of oxygen can cause altitude sickness. Altitude sickness is generally occurred at the altitude of 8,000 feet and above. People who are not accustomed to this height are more vulnerable. The symptom occur like the palpitation, headache, dyspnea, insomnia. So that time coca a very important role in treatment of this condition. Second very important role of the coca leaves. Coca leaves is used by the South American as we Indian use coffee, tea and tobacco. So coca using unusual fatigueness and refreshment. Now we are going to discuss about the history of coca. Coca belongs to the natural order of Linnea. The tincture prepared from the leaves which are about 2.5 inches in length and about half an inch in width. It is a plant of very ancient lineage in use since the time of the great Incas of Peru. Hence, it is also known as the divine plant of the Incas. It contains a alkaloid called cocaine, which is very widely known all over the world. It is cultivated largely in the Bolivia for the sake of its leaves, and it forms an important item for revenue of the government sector. People there chewing it same as an inhabitant of India chewing pan for its exhilarating effect. It increases the frequency of pulse and impart courage and strength of the bodies. So a very important medicine. Now coca uses in homeopathy in dynamic form. Coca use same the condition like the climbing in mountain area, the same condition like dyspnea, palpitation, anxiety, insomnia cured by the coca medicine. Other symptoms, those people who are engaged with the physical and mental activity and it causes the exhaust brain fog like condition, so it's treated by the coca. Another condition like melancholy from the nervous exhaustion, wasteful, timid, ill as ease in society. Third one, those people who remain continuing in sadness, irritable, delight in solitude and continually thinking about his dark future. So that condition cured by coca. Next condition, those people who are engaged with the physical activity like runner, like playing football, long tennis like condition, and they obtain the condition of want of breath. This condition treated by coca, and also the old people and those people who use tobacco and whiskey in excess and continue condition of want of breath. This condition is treated by coca. Bad effect from the mountain climbing or ballooning of the stimulant, alcohol and tobacco. Bad effects removed by coca. Bad effect from ballooning. During ballooning, the high altitude causes the lack of oxygen causes patient complaining of the palpitation, dyspnea, insomnia. So these conditions are treated by the coca. Longing for alcohol liquid and tobacco for the accustomed stimulant. So those people who use the alcoholic tobacco for the refreshment, they also treated by the coca. It is very useful medicine for the violent palpitation from the increases flatus, from the overexertion of body, from heart stand. It is treated by coca. It compared with the stramonium. Stramonium mainly useful in those people who fear of the dark day. So all of this about the coca. Hope you will be understand. Thank you very much. Have a nice